With regards to Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case, a new CCTV footage has emerged of the suspect. The CCTV footage comes in from near Bandra station. The accused can be seen with folded hands. The accused has remained in Bandra for close to 5 hours. It's been 50 plus hours since the attacker has been on the run. Saif Ali Khan's attacker has not been tracked down so far by the police. It's been more than 60 hours that the accused has been absconding. Now a new CCTV footage has been accessed by the Maharashtra police. The Mumbai Police Crime Branch is now closely looking at this CCTV footage. It seems like this is the footage from very close to where the Bandra station is. This is a new CCTV footage that the police is now looking at. The accused can be seen roaming around on the streets of Bandra for close to 5 hours. It's been close to 60 hours since the horrific attack took place on Saif Ali Khan. The attacker is still on the run. Attacker has not been nabbed by the police. There's a lot of politics also playing in the state of Maharashtra. With regards to this attack, the opposition parties are now questioning the law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra. The Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has given a statement and he has said that the police is making sure that they nab the accused as soon as possible. There are close to 28 teams that have been formed by the police, and these 28 teams are now looking at.
Man who was seen in the Saif Ali Khan's building CCTV came directly to the Dadar, and he came into this mobile shop and he brought one headphone from the shop. We have the workers who are working over there and who have attended that person. भाई क्या कहेंगे भाई क्या कहेंगे वो जब आया था तो क्या लिया था उसने?
ईयरफोन लिया था।
कैसा लग रहा था? घबराया हुआ लग रहा था?
नहीं, मैं नहीं था सर। मॉर्निंग में दूसरा लड़का दुकान खोलता मैं।
Definitely he bought an headphone from this particular shop, and where he want that they don't know, but Mumbai Crime Branch team yesterday reached here and they have taken the CCTV and DVR of the shop into the custody, and right now they are investigating this case with Mumbai police as well. With camera person Swapnil, this is Dipesh Tripathi for India Today, Mumbai.
My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, another CCTV footage has been accessed by the police. We are seeing multiple CCTV footages coming from different parts of Mumbai. But if we speak about Bandra, certain footages have been from Bandra station. And in this particular CCTV footage, we can see the accused moving along with folded hands. From what we can understand at the moment, the accused remained in Bandra for close to 5 hours.
Well, he was for quite a few number of hours after the incident. He was at Bandra area itself, and only after, and remember that he's constantly on the move. It's not like he's stationary at some point. That, that say for example, even if he was at the shop at Dadar, he did not spend much time there. As soon as they got to know, the Mumbai police had reached there, but they just did not find him around in that area at all. So he's constantly on the move, and that's one of the reasons why Mumbai police, because he doesn't have a phone, so they can't pinpoint him. And the moment they get any information from the CCTV footages as to where he is going, the moment they reach there, by that time he's vanished and moved on to another place. And that's one of the reasons why they're finding it extremely difficult to pin him down, track him down, but certainly they're trying their best. This person, now they're really wanting to find out as to what really was the reason. Why did he use the headphone? Does he really have a phone? What was the use of that headphone that he had if he did not really have a phone in his hand? So, how did he make the payment? These are various questions that they did ask the shopkeeper. And and they've been trying to make a profile of this accused as to how, what could be the reason, why would he, because he doesn't have any criminal antecedents, why would he then suddenly go and decide to climb up a residence, hide there for some time and then get into it, ask for about 1 crore and then run away down, not really technically running also, he just walked down, was roaming around in this area. This is the Bandra police station, and right few meters away from here he was located in that CCTV footage camera where he can be seen in the blue shirt. So, he just changed his clothes, did nothing very different where he would look suspicious. He's just roaming around like any other person, and that's the reason probably he's not raised any suspicion. No one really looks at him as someone who could have done something, and that's the reason he's not reported anywhere as yet by anyone. But then the moment the Mumbai police does get to know where he is, then they do try to track him down. Everyone's just wishing that this entire saga really ends with that accused being arrested and put behind bars.